Sonic, do you have the time?
I'm not my original character, Blonic. I'm not Sonic. And I'm not my original character, Blails. I'm Tails. People are straight. How embarrassing. You know what we have to do now, Blails.
Do you have the time?
No! We've gotta fight Dr. Eggman! Let's go round up the troops! Hey, Bluckles! We need your help defeating Eggman!
I can't fight Eggman. I can't do anything.
But he's your original character.
It'd be foolhardy to even try. Not after the last war. They took my old friend.
Gee, Bluckles, I didn't realize. Don't you get it? I'm not the real Knuckles! I'm my original character, Bluckles, trapped in your world! Meanwhile, how embarrassing.
These new popcorn chickens are delicious!
Don't you mean but nutritious?
No!
Well, okay.
I can't say I'm too well versed in
My original character,
I'm more of a
how embarrassing.
type of guy.
Good to know!
Hey, don't you usually
Sit?
No!
I'll say.
It's not Bloody! It's my original drive-in fast food restaurant at Sonic! Act now and get a popcorn chicken with a medium drink for only $2.99! It's not good! It's good!